Yan, maglilinis. Tingnan nyo yung lilinisin ko bago ako balabas. Yan, good morning Tuesday. Ayan, sila Kambal magpapasok pa rin. Ayun, oh, tingnan nyo yung snow. Oh my God. Di hanggang sa bintana, oh. Oh my God. What? What's that? Ayan, ihatid ko sila para may mag-rescue pag ano. Oh my goodness. Oh, tingnan nyo, oh. Grabe. Ayan. Ayan ang snowstorm. You wait. There's a car. Ayan, wala. No, don't do that. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh my God, oh. Tingnan, walang masyadong pumasok ng mga bata. Michael. It's cold. Can you put your hood on? Put your hood on. Okay. Go. I'm going home. Ayan. May dinanan ng sasakyan yan ng wala masyadong